kecil atau
Okay. Today we are going to learn about more than, less than, kebalik. More than, less than, and equal. Okay. Who want to be explained? What's the meaning? More than, less than, and equal. Nah, ada yang tahu nggak? More than, less than, and equal.
saya tahu. More than itu lebih banyak.
More than itu
lebih sedikit. Less than lebih sedikit.
kalau yang equal.
Equal tuh sama saja.
Oke, equal itu sama saja. Oke, so coba I ask to Mbak Sabrina. How read this? Nah, coba ini dibaca. How read that? Hah?
Yang mana?
Yang ini, yang the first. 76. Huh?
Saya tadi keluar.
Iya, nggak apa-apa Mbak Zia. Okay. If you not know English, you can speak in Indonesia. I will translate. Nah, kalau nggak bisa Inggrisnya, Indonesia is okay.
76 76 more than 45.
Okay. Can you see my? Bentar. Okay. Can you see my small whiteboard?
Yes, I see.
Okay.
Yes, I see. Yes.
76. Apa tadi?
76 more than 45.
Okay, you can say more than. You can say 76 is large. Large. Lebih banyak, lebih besar. 76 is large than 45. 76 is large than 45. Oke, coba. Mas Jovan.
Sebenarnya aku tekannya ke TV ya.
Coba. Diulang lagi. Repeat. Mana Mas Jovan? Dan hilang. Bentar. Kalau nggak kelihatan nggak enak ini Miss ini. Oke, Mas Jovan. Hilang lagi. Mas Jovan coba. Repeat after me ya. 76 is large than 45.
Miss.
Yes, what?
Excuse me, Miss. Larger than.
Oke.
Miss, saya keluar terus masuk lagi ya, Miss. Soalnya layarnya hitam.
Oh, oke. Oke, Mas Sulaiman. In American larger, but in British large. Mana Mas Sulaiman? Oh, ini tulisannya.
Ayah.
Mas Sulaiman? Large. Larger. Large. Okay, any question, Mas Sulaiman? Coba. Do you want to correct me? It's okay. Yes, what?
It's larger, not bigger.
Oh, okay, like bigger.
Larger means bukan bigger. Kalau bilang more than itu bigger than, bukan.
Not with large. Okay, I'll use bigger, not with large.
Loh, Miss, yang salah itu bigger than, yang benar large. Tapi large-nya tuh large gitu. Large.
Oh, yes, I use large. Large, L. Oh, ada dua. Large.
Pakai greater than, Miss.
Pakai greater than.
Ya,
Not large.
not large, but greater than.
Oke, pakai. Bentar ya. Oke, pakai greater than. Miss ganti. Not large. Greater. Kebalik enggak?
Greater, Miss. Greater itu G-R-E-T-A.
H. Enggak pakai without H. Iya. Ya, benar greater.
Greater. Don't use H.
Okay. So, Mas Sulaiman say not use large, we use greater than. Okay. So you must say 76 is
76
45.
Is-
Like that.
greater than 45.
45. Like that. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. So, how about less than? If more than, we use greater than, and less than, we use small, smaller. Ya, pakailah. Of course.
We use smaller than.
Smaller than. So, coba I ask to coba Mbak Aisyah Naira. Mbak Naira. Oke, Mbak Naira. Please read this.
51, 9.
Gimana, Mbak? 51?
Yes.
Coba ulangi lagi.
51. 9.
Oke, coba I ask to coba Mbak Aida. Mbak Aida, coba diulangi lagi. Please repeat. Mbak siapa tadi yang mesti tunggu? Oke, please. How to read this?
Emang kuda mah kanggo nasi. Ayah kau naik. Ayah kau wae.
Mana Mbak Aida? 51
Miss.
in the second number. Yang kedua.
Apa?
51.
Kita jawab. Iwan.
51 is
Smaller on the
smaller than
89.
89. Oke. Bentar, mi stop dulu.
Hah?
Oke. Udah full ya.
Kan bukannya aku pernah. Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Oke. Kelas.
Yes,
Oke, fokusnya ke Miss ya. Nah, This symbol from more than. Ini simbol kalau lebih dari. In the sentence we use greater than. Nah, oke, sampai sini paham coba? Paham enggak? You understand?
Paham. I understand.
Oke, coba Miss ulangi ya. I'll repeat. This is symbol by more than. More than, lebih dari. Lebih dari. Example. 5 and 4. So, how to read this? Kelihatan nggak ya?
57.
5 is
57.
5 is
Greater than 4.
okay. More than is greater than. 5 as 5 is greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4. Iya Mbak Zia?
Is greater than 4.
Stop.
Gimana?
Water.
Oke, of course. Oke, Miss ulangi ya. I'll repeat. If more than, cahayanya kelihatan. Oke, more than, sample. 5 is greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4. 5 lebih besar dari 4. Oke, do you understand?
Understand. I
Okay.
understand.
So, in less than, lebih kecil, misalkan 4 and 5. 4 is smaller than 5. 4 is smaller than 5. Okay, I'll repeat again. More than. Example. 5 is greater than 4. 5 is greater than 4. In less than. 4 is smaller than 5. 4 is smaller than 5. Okay, do you understand?
Understand.
Okay. Coba. Oke, coba one by one ya. Please read my screen. Coba from. Ya, coba Mbak Zia. Mbak Zia, we have 56 and 76. More than or less than?
Putus-putus.
Okay, Mbak Zia, I ask you ya. I'll repeat again. I'll repeat. We have 56 and 76. This is more than or less than or equal. Lebih dari, kurang dari, atau sama dengan?
Sama.
Gimana? Lebih? Lebih dari, coba. Kata Mbak Zia lebih dari. Berarti 56 lebih dari.
Salah.
Okay.
Lebih banyak.
Who say
Lebih
it?
banyak.
Cepat Mas Ahmad raise hand. Cepat Mas Ahmad. Please answer. Please correct. Yang benar yang apa Mas Ahmad?
Greater than.
Less than. Oke, berarti kurang dari.
That's less. That's smaller than Miss.
Oke. Who want to be read? Siapa yang mau baca ini? Raise your hand. Coba Mas Rafa, Mas Rafa. Mana Mas Rafa ini?
56 less than 17.
Bentar. Miss belum menemukan Mas Rafa. Coba Mas. Belum Mas Rafa? Mas Rafa di mana? Mas Rafa. Kok enggak ada?
Sabrina nih.
Coba Mbak Niyoko kalau gitu. Mbak Niyoko ada enggak? Oh, astagfirullah, ini bukan yang raise your hand. Oke. Yang raise hand Mbak Sabrina. Mbak Sabrina?
Ya.
Oke, please read this.
Nanti.
56
Zombie, sang potong kayak bian-bian nih. Oh.
Nah, tandanya apa ini? Less than, berarti is
No. I like you. Less than 76.
Oke, is smaller than 76. Oke.
Gundul.
Oke. Coba. Oke. Mbak Niyoko sama Mas Rafa sudah masuk ya? Oke.
Wait, Miss, I will search it in participant. There he is.
Ayo, siapa yang coret-coret ini? Coba. I have a question again. Between 101. Okay, I have 104 and 101. Which? Siapa yang coret-coret?
Mas Rafa.
Mas Rafa. Coba. Nah, Mas Hamad sudah, Mas Sulaiman sudah. Coba I ask to Mas Adit. Coba Mas Adit. More than or less than or equal? Apa Mas Adit? More than. Okay, so. Coba Mas Birul, how to read this? Bagaimana cara bacanya?
100.
100 and?
More than Miss. More. Pada suara terus.
Okay, 104 is
More than 101.
okay. Okay, you can say more than, you can say greater than. 104 greater than 101. Okay.
Siapa yang
Mas Rafa. Mas Rafa. Okay, Mas Rafa. Do you understand, Mas Rafa? Paham enggak?
Mas Rafa is not connected to audio.
Oh.
disconnect?
Okay.
Connect.
Wait.
I don't see.
My screen.
No, I don't see the microphone symbol in Rafa's name in participants.
Oh, seriously?
Yes.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we have 3 question. Miss punya 3 pertanyaan. From the first question. Okay, if you want answer, please stand. Okay, we have 3 question. First question, coba Mas Hamad. Okay, sorry Mas Hamad. More than or less than?
It's equal, Miss.
Okay. Gimana Mas Hamad? Oke.
Equal.
Mas Rafa. Masya Allah. Coba. Okay, that's right. Equal. So, in the second question. Okay, raise your hand if you want to answer it. Yang nomor 2, more than or less than? Okay, raise your hand.
More than. Habis itu yang
Ada yang angkat tangan? Just 2 people.
Ada yang angkat tangan.
Coba kalau kan gitu, kalau Mas Adit sama Mas Bibi ada jawab. Coba I ask to Mbak Yola. Nah, Mbak Yola, in the second question. More than or less than?
More than.
More than. Okay, let me see. Kok nggak keluar? Okay, that's right. And the last question. Or less than? Coba.
That
Wait.
Miss.
Wait. I asked Mbak Putri. Mbak Putri. Okay, wait. Yes. Wait. Mbak Putri, can you hear me, Mbak Putri?
Miss, may I drink water?
Okay, of course. Mbak Putri?
May I drink water? Miss, may I drink water?
Okay, of course. Coba, I asked Mbak Putri. Iya, silakan. Oke, Mbak Putri.
Yes.
Oke, Mbak Putri. In the last question, Mbak Putri, this is more than or less than?
Stop doing that, everyone.
Apa, Mbak Putri? More than. Okay, let me see. Ini panahnya Miss Nora. Nah, this is correct or incorrect?
Easy. Gampang banget.
Correct, Miss.
Incorrect, oke. Biar lebih fokus ya. Jadi tandanya itu emang Miss balik. Berarti fokus. Oke, wait. Oh, belum jamnya.
Telat calon 10 menit. Wow,
Nah. Nih. Coba. Nah.
Oh,
Oke. Who want to be read my screen?
Teman-teman
Ada yang mau baca enggak? Siapa?
Can you write your most number, for example, you might round
What to be sebentar. Ini siapa yang baca ini?
Miss,
Yes, what?
Saya
saya
Miss.
baca.
Saya Miss duluan. Sekarang
Bentar, Miss ambil yang
Wildan dulu.
coba Mas Wildan. Mas Wildan belum. Ya Mas Wildan. Coba.
Yang mana, Miss?
Oh,
Ini
rounding.
yang atas. Rounding number up or down to the next whole 10.
Terus when you
When you round, you move to the next other. For example, you might round a number to the 10, 100, or 1,000.
okay. Wait. Bentar ya. Oke.
Ikut mana? Apa itu? Apa itu, Miss?
I will write something about rounding. Bentar.
When you round, you move to the nearest major number. For example, you might round a number to the nearest.
Oke. Rounding number up or down to the nearest whole 10. Oh, ini sebenarnya bukan whole 10 ya. Jangan whole 10. Oke. Jadi membulatkan, rounding. Nah, coba di stop dulu satunya.
Wow.
Oke. Apa ya? Rounding, pembulatan.
Oh, itu apa nih?
Sabrina,
Oke.
Jadi terakhir.
Whoever buy something in Indomaret or Alfamart. Siapa yang pernah beli sesuatu di Indomaret atau Alfamart?
Saya.
Sering.
Agak
What you buy? Beli apa?
Susu.
Susu?
Milku.
Es krim?
I buy milk, Miss.
sama itu udah.
Oke, do you remember about price in there? Ingat nggak harga-harganya?
Enggak.
Ingat.
1.500. Sometimes the price. Oke, biasanya seperti ini ya, kadang-kadang itu.
Saya sering lihat yang plat kuning yang di diskon.
Oke, like me.
10%.
Sometimes the price like this. Bentar ya. Okay. Sometimes the price in Indomaret or Alfa like this. 4,994. Jadi kadang harganya itu gini. 4,944. Oke. That's right? Benar nggak? Benar nggak harganya seperti itu biasanya?
Yes, Miss. Like that.
So, if the
Like that, Miss.
okay, so if the price like this ya, kalau harganya seperti ini ya, so how much you pay? Harus bayarnya berapa?
5.000.
5.000. How can? Why you not pay 4,900? Kenapa nggak bayarnya 4.900 saja?
Because Because 94 it's already
Because
hampir sama
Oke.
kayak 100. Jadi 900 ditambah 100
Okay, this is rounding. Ini pembulatan ya. This is rounding. Ini pembulatan. So if you see maybe in the price or other ya, kalau lihat sesuatu, if you see like this, 4.994, 4,994. We must round in the hundred. Kita bulatkan ke ratusan. Rounding nearest the hundred. Jadi, this is the 100 number. This is the 100 number. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
Oke, jadi kalau membulatkan ke ratusan, oke, we must see the tens number. Kita lihat angka puluhan, we must see the tens number. Oke, sampai sini paham?
Paham.
Nah, bentar.
Paham.
If the tens,
yang tiup-tiup?
okay, if the tens number more than 5, kalau angka puluhannya lebih dari 5, more than 5, okay, we rounding in the right. Kita bulatkan ke kanan. Nah, 900. We have 900 and 1,000. We have 900 and 1,000. Because why? Because 994, this is between 900 and 1,000. Karena 900 ini di antara 900 sama 1.000. You understand?
Understand.
Okay. Because in the tens number, karena angka puluhannya more than 5, lebih dari 5, more than 5, we must rounding in the right. Kita bulatkan ke kanan. Jadinya 1,000. So we must pay 5,000. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
this. If the price is di mana ya ini? 4,922 and 22. 4,922. How much we pay? Jadi kita harus bayar berapa? Harganya 4.932.
4.900.
That's right. We must pay for 4,900. Why? Because in the tens
Because-
number,
Tens number. That's smaller than 5.
okay, because less than ya, small bisa sih. Karena lebih kecil. Ya, more less than or smaller than 5. Jadi, so we must go in the left. Kita pergi ke kiri. Nah, kalau di kiri harganya price is 900. Okay, any question?
No.
Coba, I ask you one by one ya.
Okay.
ketut ke Thailand.
Okay, of course. Bentar, kayaknya Miss ada soalnya ada di PPT.
Miss,
Yes, what?
my I drink water.
Okay, of course.
Miss, my I drink water.
Yes. Nah,
Miss, my I drink water.
okay, of course. Nah, okay. Let's
my I drink water.
okay. Okay, so
What? Everyone is drinking water?
I don't know. Okay, we have 1,251. Nah, this is the nearest 100. Kita bulatkan ke ratusan. Okay, rounding to 100. Yes, to 100. First, nah, we must swap the 100. Kita harus lihat ratusannya. After that, we must the tens number. Kita lihat puluhannya. If the tens is more than or less than, then more or less than 5. More or less than 5. Jadi puluhannya itu lebih atau kurang dari 5. Okay. I will bentar. Nih. Ganti dulu. Aduh. Oke.
Rafa, please don't draw.
Nah, maybe Mas Rafa can hear your voice. Maybe. Okay. The price is 2,000 for 476. Okay. The price is 2,476. How much we pay? Kita harus bayar berapa sih? Harganya seperti ini, kita harus bayar
7.476.
Ah, yes. We must round zeros in 100. Kita bulatkan ke ratusan. Okay, how much should we pay? Kita harus bayarnya berapa? Anybody want to answer? Coba Mbak Niyoko.
7.000.
Mbak Niyoko, what are you doing?
Hijau.
Oke, coba Mas Wildan. How much should we pay? Kita harus bayarnya berapa?
Itu nih aku.
Kita bayarnya 7.000.
476.
Loh, no. We must pay. Kita harus bayar 7.500. How can? Kok bisa kita harus bayarnya 7.500? We must pay 7,500. How can? Anybody want to explain? Coba Mas Sulaiman. Why? Because
476 is little bit closer to 500.
okay, so like this. We must round in the nearest to 100. Kita bulatkan ya. Nah, we must focus in the tens. Bulatan ke ratusan. Okay, rounding in the 100, nearest 100. We must focus in the tens. Kita fokus ke puluhannya. Nah, 7 is the tens number. And 7 is more than 5. Jadi patokannya ini 5. If the number more than 5, We must go in the right. Jadi kita pergi ke that if number less than 5, we go in the left. Kita pergi ke kiri. So, because 7 is more than 5, again, bentar, Mr. 400 and 500. Oke, stop dulu. Oke, kelas.
Yes, yes.
Oke, fokus on 470. Berapa tadi? 70. Yeah, I forget. Okay. 473. This is between 400 and 500. Until now, do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Okay,
Yes.
Understand.
tens number. The tens number is 7. Okay, tens number is 7. More than 5. More than 5. Lebih dari 5. So we must go in the right. Kita pergi ke kanan. We must go in the right. And the right is 500. Okay. Do you understand?
Understand.
Paham ya? Coba. I give you question. Bentar.
Kapan selesainya, Miss?
Wait for a minute. Number 2.
5 menit.
Okay, we have 3 questions. We have 3 questions. Okay. Okay, we have 3 questions. Please write this question. Coba ditulis pertanyaannya.
In notebook ya, Miss.
Okay, yes. Oke, ditulis ya pertanyaannya.
Yang 1, 2, 3 itu ya.
Yes, just 3 questions.
I'm writing.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Not yet. Not yet, Miss.
Okay.
Oh, Miss.
So please round to the nearest 100 ya. Bulatkan ke ratusan terdekat.
Miss, I'm finished.
Oke.
Miss, I'm finished.
Oke.
I'm finished.
Oke.
I am not yet, Miss. Not yet, Miss.
Oke. Please round. Okay. Please round to the nearest 100.
Miss, I'm finished.
100.
Finish, Miss.
Oke, finish semua?
Miss.
Oh,
Yes, what?
not yet.
Not
Not
yet.
yet.
Oke.
How to answer it?
If we have time, kalau kita masih punya waktu ya,
I'm finished.
we answer together. But if time is over, maybe
Jangan jawabnya, tulis jawabannya di mana, Miss?
jawabannya ini.
Cara tulis jawabannya di mana?
Right. Answer in your book. Jawab di buku.
Jawabnya di sebelahnya.
Oh, Up to you.
Miss, mau diapakan?
Bentar. We must answer together. If we have time. Kita akan jawab pertanyaan bersama kalau masih ada waktu ya. Oke, Efdan. Efdan?
I'm finished, Miss.
Oke.
I'm finished.
Oh, not yet.
Finish. Apa ini?
Finish.
Oke. Efdan ya.
Miss, diapakan ini, Miss?
Kita jawab bersama kalau kita masih punya waktu ya. We will answer together.
Finish, Miss.
Oke, Efdan ya.
Now.
Okay, so number 1, the first question. Chat, okay. Saya kira udah selesai semua. Okay, let's round to the nearest 100. Kita bulatkan ke puluhan terdekat. Okay.
Mana ada yang masih belum selesai, Miss?
Efdan?
I'm finished.
Okay, Efdan ya. Yeah. Okay. The first question. Who want to answer it?
Bacanya
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time out.
Okay, who want to answer it? Number 1?
6.150.
Time out, Miss.
Oh ya?
Yes.
Oh iya. Okay, I will answer number 1 ya. Number 1 is jawabannya 6.500. 6,500. Plus the tens karena puluhannya 5 and 5 is equal than 5. Jadi 5 itu sama dengan 5. Jadi we go to right. Okay, please answer the second and the third question and send it to me. Dan dikirim ke Miss.
Oke.
Okay?
Siap.
Okay. So, because time is over. Let's close our class today by reciting Kafaratul Majelis together. Thanks for your attention. And the says, thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, you're welcome.
Bye bye.
See you.
Bye.
See you.